because I ran it going straight to. Well, see, nobody can straight.
What the receipt?
I'm going to go back before.
Okay, yeah, okay. Because I like to keep it that way when I go. I can tell them where, you know. Alright, it's okay. It will be alright. Daddy, how are we looking? Okay. Yeah, 15 on the round pole and then 5 of the rafter. Your own list you gave me is all to know. 15 round pole and 5 rafter. What was that thing you call? Money. What is the story?
No, 2 ball each.
2 ball. When you say 2 ball, what's 2 ball? 200 LG?
200.
Okay, thank you. You said 2 ball. I'm thinking, what 2 ball we talking? You know, we got 2 currency now. Let's get it clear.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. I'm like 2 ball. For one stake, myself will go in the bush. Shoo. Yeah. No, when you said 2 ball, in the US, I said, I myself will go in the bush now. Go come out. Who's there?
They know. They shopping.
Which one?
The color says.
Oh, okay. Two shopping. Okay. All right. You ready for it?
Yeah, they're doing the work now.
Okay. Let's see if I got 2 ball in here.
Well, yeah, you go buy stuff from you way back. I don't know how they cross where material used to come back from you. 2015, man.
No, they want 2 ball.
A long time.
See, LD, Liberian dollars. What they want? Let me go in my stash. Let's go. One more ball for you. I'm multitasking. Trying to capture the sights and sounds of the early morning rush hour. Yep.